Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the driving test route challenges at Service NSW Liverpool. I am at Service NSW office in Liverpool, and this way you can park. There is a parking for the driving test people here. You can park the vehicle here, and we will go for the driving test, and I will be showing you the challenges. And if you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 5 times without any mistake, then you can get the driving license in one go. Let's go for the driving test. So guys, this is the space meant for the parking for driving testing people. You can park here. So guys, we are going out for the driving test, and take the right on this roundabout. You need to give way to the traffic on your right side. And keep going straight. We will be taking right on the Cumberland Highway. So change lane test, we will be changing the lane. Make sure that you check all the mirrors and over the shoulder on your right side. So we are turning right on the Cumberland Highway. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 70 here. On this kind of road, sometimes people exceed the speed limit, so make sure that you are not increasing the speed. Even if it is 1 kilometer over, you will straightway fail in the driving test. So keep going straight, and we will be changing the lane again. So give the right indicator, check all the mirror and over the shoulder on your right, and again lane change again. We will be turning right here on Cabrameta roads. So there is a red light and speed camera. So just be careful when you are turning right or left or going straight, because there is a camera. You have to be very careful. So when you are stopping, make sure that you are able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you. Don't stop very close to the other car. And similarly, when you are driving, don't drive too close. It will be called as tailgating, and that also is one of the reason for the people to fail in the driving test. So it is a right arrow green, so we can turn right. You have to be careful that it is not turned red, because there is a camera. So you can take left or right lane, it is up to you. So speed limit is 60 here. And now it is a school zone. If you are giving driving test in the school zone, which is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. or 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., then follow the school zone speed limit of 40. Otherwise, you can drive at 60. And also don't drive across the double lane, otherwise you will also fail in the driving test. So if there is a school zone, till you see the signboard and school zone, don't exceed the speed limit. Many times the school zones are very long, people get confused, so don't increase the speed limit. So now we will be turning right on Bowden Street. So it is a green only. I have to give way to the traffic coming from the front. This is a confusing traffic light, and many people fail in the driving test at this point. If it is there is no right arrow green, so I have to wait because it is only green light. So you can watch my separate video on my YouTube channel regarding this kind of confusing traffic light, what you need to do, whether you need to give way or you don't need to give way. So because it is a green light only, I have to give way to the traffic coming from the front. I can't go and turn right. So there is a right green arrow, now we can turn right. So keep going straight and don't drive on the left lane, it is for the parking only, so don't drive in the test lane. So this is a very popular route. You can see the car coming after giving the driving test. It is a very popular route. So keep going straight. So we will be doing the curbside parking test here. Give the left indicator and take the vehicle slowly to the left side. Don't hit the curb. Turn off the indicator if it is on and turn off the vehicle. Pull the handbrake. Tell the instructor that you have done the curbside parking. It is very well done. He will say, that's great, let's go now. So put up the car in the drive mode, pull down the handbrake and give the right indicator. Check all the mirrors and especially over the shoulder on your right side. Then you can start driving. There is a vehicle coming from the back. I need to give way to the traffic from my back. So go straight and we will go straight from this roundabout. So you need to give way to the traffic on this roundabout. Any traffic from the right side or any traffic from the front turning right. So go straight and we will be turning right on Smith's Avenue. So go straight. Now we will be doing the reverse parking test behind this blue car. Just stop parallel to that car. Give the left indicator. Put up the car in the reverse mode and check all the mirrors. Take the vehicle to the back. Don't hit the curb. Put up the car in the drive mode. Make sure all the tires are straight and you are able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you. Stop, put up the car in the parking mode. Pull the handbrake. Tell the instructor that you have done the reverse parking. It is very well done. He will say, let's go now. So now put up the car in the drive mode and give the right indicator. Check all the mirrors and over the shoulder on your right side, and then you take out the vehicle. So keep going straight. So we will be turning left on Stonehaven Parade. On this kind of quiet street, you are asked for the 3-point turn. We will be doing the 3-point turn test here. Bring the car to the left side, give the left indicator, and then you stop. Give the right indicator. You have to wait. Check all the traffic. Check all the mirrors. When everything is clear, turn the vehicle to the right. Keep looking all your mirrors. Don't hit the curb. Put up the car in the reverse mode. Stop. Put up the car in the drive mode, give the right indicator and start driving. Very well done. This is how you do it. And we will be turning left on Smith's Avenue. Give the left indicator, and this is a busy road on the right side. Give way to the traffic on your right side. So keep going straight. All the internal roads have a speed limit of 50 kilometers. So keep going straight. And now we will be turning right on Warwick Avenue. Give the right indicator. So keep going straight. And turn left on the Tower Street. So keep going straight. And there is another school zone. If you are giving the driving test between 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. or 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., then you need to follow the school zone speed limit, which will be 40 kilometer. Don't exceed the speed. And now we will be turning left on the Cabramatta Road. And this is a busy road. You have to give way to the traffic from the right side. Even if you have to wait for a long, you have to have a patience. So now there is no traffic, I can turn left. So now we will be taking left on the Cumberland Highway. Give the left indicator. There is a red light and speed camera, so you have to be very, very careful. So there is a pedestrian crossing, you can't stop at the pedestrian crossing. So you need to give way to the pedestrian. The right side lane is a very busy lane, you have to be careful. So we will be doing the lane change test here. So when you are changing the lane, give the right or left indicator and also check over the shoulder. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 70 here. This is the point, one of the biggest challenge. Left lane ends mean left side lane traffic will be merging to your lane. You need to give way to the traffic from your left side. So, and you have to check the left mirror also and over the shoulder on your left side. This is the thing sometimes people miss in the driving test, and this is the one of the biggest challenge. People do the mistake and then they fail in the driving test. And we will be turning left on the Viscount Place. So keep going straight. And I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and practice on this route after watching this video 10 times, and don't do any mistake, and I am sure you will be getting the license in one go. And good luck for your driving test, and thanks for watching this video.